girls, happy new week. Let's make and pack lunch for Unique.
If not glory, then who? Then who? She moves so free. Golden hot shines, can't you see? Oh, the smile, the glow, the way she steals the show. Oh, oh, oh. Glory, glory, beauty divine, the most beautiful dancer. Every time she's the one.
So for lunch, she's going to be having some chicken wings and some fries. This chicken I've already seasoned it last night and I kept it in the fridge. So I'll just go ahead and add it into my air fryer to fry.
She's the one. Oh yes, it's true. If not glory, then who? Then who? Smart and strong, she leads the way. Her grace turns night into day. Self-reserved, yet she's a star. She lights the world from near to far. Oh, the charm, the art, she's got a golden heart. Oh, 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 oh. Glory, glory, beauty divine, the most beautiful dancer. Every time she's the one. Oh yes, it's true. If not glory, then who? Then who?
So guys, our lunch is ready. I'll just go ahead and pack it for her.
Who's the queen of the floor? Tell me who. If not glory, then who? Then who? She moves like a dream, so light, so free. Her golden heart shines, can't you see? Oh, the smile, the glow, the way she steals the show. Oh, oh, oh. Glory, glory, beauty.
So I'll be adding these 2 little balls of ketchup for her. What is fry without ketchup? And Unique love ketchup so much. So I'll be adding these 2 little balls of ketchup. So I'll close it, set it aside. So I'll go ahead and prepare his snacks. For snacks, she's going to be taking these apple pies, these sweet apple pies. I will add 4 into our snacks box. Close that, set it aside also. For fruit, I will be giving her grapes.
The golden heart. Oh, oh, glory, glory, beauty divine, the most beautiful dancer. Every time she's the one. Oh yes, it's true. If not glory, then who? Then who?
I added room temperature water into our water bottle. For juice, I don't want her to consume too much juice today, so I'll be making this juice bottle to be a little bit smaller. Go ahead and pour in my juice, close that, set it aside, then it's time to pack it.
Hot and strong, she leads the way. Her grace turns night into day. Self-reserved, yet she's a star. She lights the world from near to far. Oh.
So guys, everything is set. That is it for today's video. We'll see you guys in our next one. Bye bye. Mwah.